Terrorists are so bold in Nigeria that they are not taking the battle to the Nigerian military base. Now, so they tell reporters in the attack military base for Kwara State. After that one happened, now Ali Undume talk and say Boko Haram right now that they had gone Nigerian troop for battlefield. I say talk that one finish. They come and say Nigerian military right now, their aircraft they grounded. Meanwhile, Jagaban he get your own, he enjoy your own presidential fleet. People where they battlefield, where need aircraft, they not get. But the president, he enjoy a presidential fleet for Nigeria. As that one they talk and say 5,000 naira. Only 5,000 naira. Then Nigerian army take a feed. Say their salary too poor. Now, Liundume, they talk only senator will come get for National Assembly. Now we get voice. So the rest, now your mandate, they shout. As that one, they happen, I talk and say, a few days ago, terrorists, they can't get the liver and a military base where they know our soldiers did. And then they attack for Nigeria. Now, they buy 2 soldiers recently. As that one, they happen. Now, Senator Ted Cruz talk and say, Nigerian government is complicit. What did they happen? Complicit means the Nigerian government, they get hand for all these things where they happen. Now, Ted Cruz talk this one for America. He gets some intelligence before he make this kind of mad. A U.S. senator, he not just they open his mouth, they talk anyhow. As Cruz talk that one finish, now Kimberly Daniel, this member of Florida House of Congress, come talk and say, Metawale. Say Metawale try to bribe in. Make them influence the report they want right. So that they not go talk about Christian genocide. Now they happen. Now can you not imagine? Say you be Nigerian military person. Your oga, you be Christian. You dey hear say your oga, they try to bribe people. How that one will take on make you get confidence? Then you go do what you do. As that one they happen, this man where they see so. Now they call Idris Darby. The man, now be the president. He go battlefield. He just win election finish. The man say, terrorists, they terrorize my country. He wear uniform. President, go battlefield, go fight. He can't die for the after he just win election. He tell people say, it is better for him to die in the fight for a country than for him to live like a coward. Meanwhile, our guy, Jagaban, in go Plateau State. Because of fear, now only 10 minutes. Now he stay there. They say, Jagaban, they want to go see where they buy people. A blind wife people tell us, to buy love, see buy. Mama buy you. Me not go, they'll buy you. They say, why can't they shake like this? He come tell us, if they buy now, who can they enjoy this money we don't steal? All these things don't they enjoy now? Who can they, go? Because of that one, in go. Now compare the action of this man, where die for battlefield, compare her with Jagaban, who be coward and who be leader there. A leader na somebody they lead a people, they lead a followers. Why a coward? A person say the fear, the fear, want that. More can look Nigerian army right now. Now they look at the salary for army for Nigeria. Now less than 100,000, which is about less than 50 pounds. Now our army they earn a month. Compare that with South Africa. South Africa, soldier they earn almost 1.1 million a month, and they get housing allowance, medical kit, pension. They get allowance when they receive. Compare that with Kenya, soldier they receive almost 300,000 a month. Compare that one with Ghana. Ghana, where we say like Ghana of all places. Ghana they earn almost 290,000 a month. Now they are soldier they earn. Compare that one with Egypt. Soldier they earn over 300,000 a month. And all this country, they get bonus. Compare that with small country, Botswana. Soldier they earn almost 5 million a month for Botswana. The poorest place. Now the so-called giant of Africa. 2 days ago, we see people, we say they serve Nigeria. We say they be police. they go to protest because they not pay their pension. Now, can't imagine now, all these things they happen. The Jagaban children, they enjoy life for abroad. They want me poor people, poor man picking, they go die for battlefield. Make their own children they enjoy. And that bad poor man picking now less than 50 pounds that they earn in a month. Now, who be this Ansaru? We can get liver to the point of saying, now Nigeria military base, now they attack, they go require us. They even steal things for equipment. This one a group where we say they break away from Boko Haram. They don't operate since 2020. And these guys, they link to Jamaatul Islam. And these guys, they operate across the border from Nigeria, and Benin Republic. And they get money from kidnapping, or they get their money, and they continue their operation till date. They carry out strike. These guys, now people will say, when they attack a few days today for Kwara State, at least they buy 3 soldiers, they injure 1, and they even steal our weapon and mobility asset like this thing they carry out for inside military base. Everything they talk so now so we take that they report now. This evening, they can't get the liver to the point of say they only have attack civilian for house now. Now soldier barrack. Now then they attack, they won't buy. They don't fear soldier. Now, these guys now, they don't attack Nigerian army now. Everything now, they don't. So even they wonder, I say, these terrorists, they don't get the liver, everything, they know even they fear again. People don't, they frustrated. Say, we don't waste more than 35 trillion in 15 years. And we never feel win this thing. And we never spend 7 trillion for health and education in 15 years. So Nigeria, they spend more money. People, they waste lives. And we know they get results. So people say, some people, they make so much money from this Boko Haram war. They don't even want to make the thing finish. Now more can look at the implication. Some people talk and say, until we address the issue of insecurity holistically, that means you have to have a closed border. You have to address the issue of the 18 million children where we say no, they go school for Nigeria. See, those children, they are the supply chain for Boko Haram. See, as long as you get porous border, you get 18 million children when they go school, you get a culture of intolerance. Not be a few days ago, not be one imam say he give somebody, he put 2 million for pastor head. Anybody if he buy the pastor, and the guy the Ansaru all pull it for Facebook. Nobody arrest now. And up to now, when you look at the way Jagaban and Buhari, they appoint people, the security chief, they don't they appoint based on competence or merit. They appoint based on tribe. You know, if you do all this thing, and you can't look the fact that Nigerians are not united, you know, whoever feel win this war, Boko Haram, now time before they enter Lagos, when they carry our strike, except we change our strategy. Now, more can look, what even the implication of everything that happen? There is increased fear and anxiety. We not trust ourselves again. When you see somebody who don't look like you move into your neighborhood, you get a fear, say, now Boko Haram, they won't go kill me because of the tension when this thing they happen. Also, there is the economic impact. Nobody will invest in a place where they buy people like that. And without investment, nobody will address the issue of unemployment and poverty that is ravaging our society. And also, there is disruption in farming. Nigerian today, the price of foods come today high. We know, say, as election, they come now. Jagaban, they import more food, come. They subsidize them so that they go make say the price will come down. You would say, food don't cheap. After election, you go know say Calabar na big city. So as long as our farmers don't go farm, they don't carry their food, go prod, food price, it go always go up for Nigeria. Also, we know say there is lack of trust and trust in the security services now, because how you feel, say the person will be the minister of state for defense, especially maybe say number 2 man for that ministry. Then they talk, say, the guy may be the leader of Boko Haram before, when he did for a state, may be the leader of boundary. That one, you go feel at confidence. People even they question how the guy take get that job. Also, there's polarization because people feel say this Boko Haram. You have people like Gumi, they talk, say will negotiate with them, and people talk say the list of Jagaba even released that day. Say the team be like say they play politics with everything where they happen. Now, as you Nigerian, how you feel? Say knowing full well, say this war, Boko Haram and terrorism, they don't get the mind to the point that a military formation, and they attack, they will come steal ammunition by our soldiers. If they can do that one to military formation, you will be civilian. Which hope you get? More look the views of our fellow Nigerians about this thing. Now, doctor talk and say, if these terrorists can attack a military base, tell me where else they won't attack a military base. Yet, these are the same persons some military chiefs would call repentant because you put them through a government program. This one can talk and say, the war that started in Borno has extended to Kwara with the unusual trademark of attacking our military base. The Minister of Defense and the NSA should rise up to this development and sponsor and support our armed forces before the whole country is consumed. As a Nigerian now, this war with Boko Haram and another terrorist group, you should say with a winner, or maybe you should say with a loser. Given the amount of lives and money we don't waste for this thing, some people say we know they see result. Some people say until we do things based on merit, competence, and put aside tribe and nepotism, we will never move forward. Make I hear what your view be for this very important matter. May you not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. May God bless you, and may God bless our armed forces. If you watch me for Facebook or Instagram, head to my YouTube channel, Frank AZ Network. Go subscribe. I'll see you soon. One love.